umaga po. Alam mo yung first time pinalabas ang Aliana in 2006. Kare-kare ko lahat ng aking kamag-anak ko, kamag-anak ng aking asawa. Because I think the film is a very important medium in educating the public about autism. Kasi napaka-challenging talaga ipaliwanag ng autism compared to other disabilities. So, I hope pagkatapos po nyo mapanood ang Aliana, mas lalo maintindihan ng lahat. And from there, we can proceed to what Father Levy has said. No? Kailangan po may action.
Speechless.
It was really nice. So I think I'll be having a good discussion with my students.
Talagang naka-enlighten siya sa lahat. Mas lalo kong naintindihan at na-appreciate talaga yung mga special child. Lalo ko silang minahal. Although advocate na ako ng mga autistic children, mas lalo ko pa kayo naintindihan. Okay?
Very informative. Actually, ang ganda ng thank you. Sana maraming parents na nanood.
Maganda po, promise. Nakakaiyak.
Naiyak po kami doon sa unahan kanina. Sana may isa pa. Nakaka-touch po. Hindi po namin alam na ganun po pala yung feeling ng
Lalo na po yung support from parents, sobra. Hindi man ganun kadali yung buhay para dun sa mga children, sa mga tao na mayroong disability. Pero once na yung parents nila at yung teachers is nag-join force, diba?
It's very educational. Marami yung natutunan ng mga estudyante at mga magulang. And especially here in the area of Batangas, nagkaroon na po ng tinatawag nating awareness with regards to autism and how to deal with kids and families with autism. Mas naintindihan na po kami ngayon ng society at ng community, and hopefully it will be already a national effort na maintindihan mo talaga ang ganitong klaseng sitwasyon ng bawat bata at bawat pamilya.
It can really help the people, especially yung mga therapists and also yung mga students about autism. At least they'll be aware of ano po talaga ang autismo and ano ang magagawa natin, dahil meron namang future sila kung alam lang natin kung anong gagawin at kung paano sila i-handle. Ang dami po nag-congratulate sa amin kasi talaga po medyo